This video is to show you how to use 4 separate eyeshadow colors: Act Your Beige, Chime Me a River, Chocolate Diamonds, and Crimson Star. Now my rule of thumb is if there is shimmer, it is only to be used on the lid. Act Your Beige has shimmer, so it is a lid color. So I'm going to use the lid brush and press it all the way across my lid, anywhere the skin touches the eyeball. The second color is my crease color. So I'm using the crease brush with Chime Me a River. This is a really neutral crease color that you can wear with most eyeshadow colors. I go a little bit thinner on the inside and higher up on the outside, which gives your eye a lift. I also have a little bit of hooding in my lid, so look at the difference. Definitely makes my eyelid look tighter. Now if it's daytime, you can just wear Act Your Beige on the lid, Chime Me a River in the crease, and then you can be done. If you have a little extra time, you can do eyeliner and mascara. But if you like a little bit more of a pop, you can add Chocolate Diamonds and Crimson Star, which I'm gonna do next. Now I'm moving over to the corner brush with Chocolate Diamonds, and I'm going to apply that right on the outer 1/4 of my lid. I don't like to work with a really, really dark color in the corner because it's very hard to blend. So this one is just 2 shades darker than Act Your Beige and gives you a very minimal shadow. Now before applying my smoke color, I always line my eyes, then I smoke off of the line. And to save some time, I spared you of the details. I put on my eyeliner, now I'm gonna go into the smoke. So I'm going to grab Crimson Star with the smoke brush, and I'm going to smudge right along the edge of that, going thinner on the inside and heavier on the outside. I don't bring this all the way into the crease, just up to the crease. And if you need to go back and marry the colors together, you can go back to the corner brush and blend it even more. I always recommend taking a little bit of the concealer left over on your concealer brush and just doing a little swipe to clean up. And there it is with mascara. So to recap, if you want something very natural, try Act Your Beige and Chime Me a River on your lid and on your crease. If you're wanting something more dramatic, start with those 2 colors and add Chocolate Diamonds and Crimson Star to your corner and to your smoke. Remember, no bottom eyeliner.